Alright, so here we're going to take a look at sorting this sheet by average. And what I want to do is I want to think about what do I want to sort and what do I want to sort it by. And in this case, I don't want to sort the information as far as the matches and where they're at. I also don't want this information to move. So what I do want to move is I want the player, their entire row, all the way through the number of rounds that they have. And I want that information to be sorted. I want to make sure that I include this so that that moves with the player. So I'm going to say I'm going to sort that selection area there, and I actually want to sort it by column J. So I'm going to sort it by the score, and I want to sort it by the lowest score to the highest score. So I'm going to choose this data. I'm going to sort range. I'm going to choose column J. Column J is actually going to be their mid-season average right now. And I want that A to Z, which is going to be lowest to highest, and I'm going to hit sort. So it actually sorts the players from the lowest average to the highest average, but right now what I have is I have a couple of players that don't have a score yet, so their average is a 0, and I actually want those players at the bottom. So what I can do is I can sort it twice to give me the results that I want. So I'm actually going to go back to my range. I'm going to choose J, but I actually want it from highest to lowest. That puts me my zeros at the bottom. And then what I can do is I can come back just to the players that have a score, and I'm just going to sort these players, and now I'm going to put these players here from the smallest average to the highest average using that same sort range. Now I'm going to choose J, smallest to highest, and it's just going to move the players that I want to move around. So now I have the 3 players that don't have a score yet are now at the bottom, and I've now sorted this range of players that have a score. I've sorted them. And the big thing is making sure that I include the number of rounds that actually follow me here. That's going to be important, otherwise my number of rounds is going to mess up with my mid-season average. So now this player here, that entire row, has moved with that player.